So this is the Razer Blackwidow V3 Mini Hyperspeed 65% wireless mechanical keyboard. I really don't know why they had it so big. Like why why is it named so long? And what it comes with is a USB Type-C braided cable, just like every other Razer keyboard. Feels really good. Alright, so here it is. Feels really solid. Usually the keyboards, like from Razer, really like light and plastic feeling. Yes, it is still kind of plastic feeling. It is kind of hollow, but this is way better than like the Mini, for example. But it has 6-degree feet and also the 9-degree feet, and also has the 4 rubber grommets on each side, and has a little housing for the little dongle for the connection for 2.4 gigahertz. I have the silent yellows. The RGB on this thing, it looks really good. I mean, Razer always does give it RGB, but yeah, looks really solid.